Hello students, in this video we are going to discuss how to save the presentation and which are the save as formats which are available in this PowerPoint presentation. Please note in the older versions few options will be available to save. Okay, and as we have already discussed the slideshow in the first video itself, I am not going to discuss the slideshow here. And this review button, it is similar to that of Word view options. Also we had already discussed in the first video developer options. If you would like to use help, and this EndNote, Spring Shoot, Acrobat and extra commands are for my personal use right now. Okay, so for example, I want to save this. You can simply use the save button here. Okay, and choose your location wherever you would like to save. Next, if you want to use save as button, and let us save here in downloads right now, and you can use, these are the different options which are available by which you can use. For example, PowerPoint presentation, micro PowerPoint macro enabled presentation in the older versions, which is 97 to 2003 versions, PDF versions, XPS documents versions, templates, macro enabled templates, Office theme, PowerPoint show, macro enabled show, PowerPoint add-in. There are a variety of options, but please note some of the options might not be available in the older versions. Let us right now use MPG. Okay, and just click on save. So it will create the video of my presentation in the MP4 format. For that I need to browse to the downloads where I have saved this video, and just I am going to play it. It will be a very short video of 10 seconds as I had not set the timing for it. Okay, by default it has used 5 seconds for each slide. Now again I am going for file, and if you want to print, you can print. You can, if you want to share, you can share. And there are some of the options which might not be available here. You can, if you want to export, you can export. Now if you want to create a video, here you can select the mode. Okay, if you want to use recorded rehearsals, and please note you can change here by seconds spent on each slide accordingly. For example, right now our presentation has two slides. Okay, right now the presentation has two slides. So that's why when I created the video, the video was of the 10 seconds. Now next option which I forgot to display was the notes. For example, I'm going to add the note here. Now I'm going to start with the PowerPoint, and I'm going to use the show presenter view. Now, as I have already told you that in the slide presentation mode, in this presenter mode, only this screen will be visible to the audience. Okay, and this screen here, the whole screen will be only visible to you. Now as you can see in the first slide, I had added a node which is microbiology. It is visible here, but it will not be visible to the audience. Okay, this is only for your personal use, or if you want to share, it depends on you. Okay, thank you.